I've got my turned way up.
We're gonna try to put this T6 flange on this bad boy. Chop the slow boy T4 off. See how that pans out. Should have enough room.
Uncut this bitch.
We got Adam over here doing his thing. Welding this beautiful T6 flange here. We got some 304 stainless. Time to test fit?
Yeah.
We've got one side done. What do you think? We're close?
Yeah, the thing is like, so it's got to angle a little bit, but it's also going to keep going back, so I can't cut too much off for the other.
Right. So we just got to join this passenger bank header to the flange here. Good stuff. Dude, this thing looks huge in here. We all tacked up?
Yeah. I ended up doing it,
Damn, dog. It looks awesome. It's
hey, we're gonna get married, whatever, and like, he told my mom, like, you know, I finally realized, like, you know, like.
And he knew she was pregnant the whole time.
all right, so Adam has done it. He's literally put a T6 turbo on a kit that was not designed for it. We've put this massive VS Racing 88mm turbo on this kit here with lots of fabrication. Good day's worth of work here. Look at that. It's like it was meant to be. It's like it was meant to be. Got the good old on3 cast manifolds doing work. Hopefully they do work. We'll find out. The big boy. Adam, what are your thoughts on it?
We're gonna make some jam.
You gonna make some jam? How much you think we gonna make?
Oh, about 350.
350? Yeah, we'll make. I think we'll make. We can at least make 435. That was the stock horsepower. You think we can make 435? Hopefully, we make 435 times 3. What is that? No, we won't make times 4. 435 times 4. I guess what? 1600. We'll be good with that. To the tires. We got the sleeve coyote. 30 psi boost out of this DSR. That'd be pretty cool. Hopefully, we don't send the heads to the moon. So what we got left? We got to fabricate a bracket, a support bracket, some bracing here, and then fab the downpipe, mess with the gate over here, and maybe the cold side piping once we get the intercooler stuff. But other than that, this bitch is on. That's why we got the experts on it. Yeah, stacker of dimes here making a nice brace for this beautiful turbo kit we've been making, or modifying, I should say. Got this thing tacked up. That should work for now. We already determined if it breaks, we'll just fix it. All right, guys, we finally got the VSR 88 millimeter strapped on this thing. Had to do some custom fab work. We're using on3 manifolds, as well as most of the on3 piping. My buddy Adam, Stacker of Dimes, he did some cut, chopping, and re-welding of the piping. Provided was a T4, and this is a sleeve motor, so that's just not good enough for us. So we chopped that up, welded that bad boy up. That should do pretty good. This is a VS Racing 8896. Should make north of 1300 no problem, hopefully 1400 wheel or so. Hell, who knows, maybe more, I don't know. Got plenty of clearance for everything. Radiator fits in good. Gonna have plenty of room for fans. Charge pipe still fits. We're in the process of making the downpipe right now. We have it mostly mocked up where it's gonna go. Of course, this was the provided downpipe from on3. It was designed for a 3-inch outlet. We're using a 5-4 Marmon. So we're gonna be chopping this pipe about here and running a 94-inch piece of pipe right there, and we'll splice that in pretty good and get that dialed in. So little 4-inch header pipe out the side of the bumper there. We're gonna have to re-angle this wastegate flange down because it'll interfere with the downpipe once that's hooked up. Of course, got to clock the turbo. That's not correct yet. And then we're gonna be making a 3-inch intercooler pipe from the compressor outlet here. It's gonna come around a pie cut and go around. It'll come around to the intercooler right here, just like this. So yeah, we got our work cut out for us. We've got a lot of the hard stuff done. We've forgot to mention that we did brace this. There's a brace going to the back of the flange there, so it is fully braced. And then it picks up the alternator stud. So that's pretty cool. But other than that, yeah, we should make some jam, boys. Hopefully, we'll see what she'll do.
And I've got my frequency turned way up. So like it keeps the pulses like super fast.
Right. Gotta weld that. girls dancing.